Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into the world of stem cell therapy. Is it truly the medical miracle it's touted to be, or does it come with a price tag that's not just financial? Let's unpack this. Stem cell therapy is cutting edge. It's like giving your body's healing power a turbo boost. By injecting stem cell components, we aim to kickstart the body's own regenerative processes. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But here's the kicker. While it's shown some remarkable results, stem cell therapy isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. For some, it's been a game changer, literally regrowing damaged tissues and treating diseases that had no cure before. However, it's not without its risks. Like climbing a super tall ladder to fetch that ultimate prize, the higher you go, the harder you might fall. Complications can arise, and the science, while promising, is still evolving. Not to mention, the costs are sky high. We're talking about a price that could make your wallet cry for mercy. So, what about those of us who are intrigued by the potential of stem cell science but are looking for less risky avenues? Well, it turns out there are other ways to promote stem cell health. Diet, exercise, and even certain supplements might help support your body's natural stem cell production without the heavyweight risks and costs. To wrap it up, stem cell therapy is an exciting frontier in medicine, but it's not the only path to improving your health. Always consider all your options and, of course, consult with a healthcare professional before jumping into any treatment, especially one as advanced and experimental as this. Thanks for watching. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more discussions on groundbreaking medical technologies. Catch you in the next video.